This is Dr. Richard Balikian. I'm a double board certified facial plastic surgeon with 20 years experience in Southern California. And I'm here to talk to you today about ELIXIR MD. We have our patient here who's 7 days out from a revision rhinoplasty, and she's getting her 4th treatment with the yellow light therapy that is cellular repair. She saw me this morning and we took her splint off, and she was thrilled with the result. She also asked me, why don't I have a lot of bruising? Why does my face feel so soft? I don't have much pain. This is such a different experience from what I had before. We attribute that not only to our surgical technique, but to the benefits of ELIXIR MD. She also talked to me about how she felt so much more taken care of during this process, and part of that was seeing us for the ELIXIR MD protocols. So, why do we do ELIXIR MD for our patients? One, we want to be at the forefront of technology to help our patients during their recovery. We do this cellular repair protocol to improve the skin at a cellular level. It's going to improve the cellular growth as well as boost immunity. All those things are going to decrease swelling, decrease bruising, decrease redness, and improve the scars that happen from surgery for the long term.